Welcome to the next tutorial on learning AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we will look at how to use the inquiry command to manipulate object properties, obtain the geometric information, and also the important one is to measure objects, for example, area, the height. With the height that you have in mind, you can also calculate and get the value of volume. So using back the tutorial we have earlier on, I'm going to calculate the area for this portion. So to measure it, I can use the area available here. So to use the area to measure this portion, I can just click on this and I move on to click on the point. And as you click on the third point, you can see the green color coming out. And make sure the green colors cover the whole area. Once you cover, just spacebar and you can see the area coming off, which is 15,840 millimeter square with the parameter as shown. Probably you lose track for the next step. So if you want to call back, you can use the inquiry command, which is F2 shortcut. Then it will come out the AutoCAD text window to show you that this is the area and this is the parameter. You can choose it and paste it somewhere. F2 to close it. If you have done with it, you just escape. Next is we will look at other utilities such as measure the distance. If I want to know the distance, I just move on to click and click. With just 2 points, it will show you the distance. If you want to move on to look at the radius of the circle, you can click on the radius in the selection and click the circle. So you can see the details in the screen. If you want to move on again, you can click volume, for example. So this time I want to look at this area. So area, you just need to click points. So after you got the area, spacebar to continue, and in the screen it would ask you to specify the height. For example, I have a height, the ceiling height, which is 2,500 millimeter. Spacebar, and will give you the volume as shown. So using these measure utilities would be quite useful to get the information we want. And there is one calculator that you can use whenever you get the values, and you can use this quick calculator to get the values which is not shown in AutoCAD.